Good morning, everybody. Okay, next page is in our little book, and I can't remember what we're up to. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 and 8. I'm doing stars. You can probably just see down here. I'm quite lucky. I've got a Sizzix die cutter that cuts stars for you. So I've used that. Obviously, you can see them here. I've done them in a teal blue, and I had this scrap of star fabric basically printed. You do not need a Sizzix die. You can go on Pinterest. There are hundreds of images of stars and stuff like that, and you can obviously, the star can be whatever shape you want. I mean, when I'm drawing them, this is a really bad drawing, I do apologize. I just do 2 inverted triangles like so, and that gives you your 6-point star. These are 5 point, 1 2 3 4, yeah, 5 point. Let's check that. You could do really elongated ones if you wanted to. Completely up to you what shape you want to do. All right, I'm going to leave it up to you. There's quite a nice sort of folk arty type one, which is kind of odd shaped like that. You choose your stars, okay? The other thing I'm going to do, I don't know if you can just see it in the background here. I've got my stitching book out. I couldn't find, move that. I couldn't find a demo of this stitch on YouTube. It's probably on the internet somewhere, but I'm just going to give you a close-up of this stitch here, and it is the star filling stitch. I'm around the edges of the stars, I'm probably going to do straight stitch, or not straight, yeah, straight, is it? Yeah, straight stitch, yeah, just around the edges. I'm just going to sort of do on the edge of the star, sorry, on here, on the edge of the star, and then I might do some echo stitching around the outsides just to really highlight the stars. Okay, so I've got quite a few here. I might not use this many. I might just use the big ones. I don't know yet. I haven't quite 100% planned it, but I am definitely going to use the star filling stitch, because let me get that up close for you. Once you've done this bit here, you can then go in and fill in the middle with different colours. So what I'm thinking of doing is, I don't know what colours, yeah, I haven't really thought about colours, sorry, blathering, but definitely in the middle I want to do some metallic thread. So either silver or gold. Again, not really thought about it at the moment. I've got both, so I might do silver actually, because that is more starry, isn't it? But anyway, that is the stitch there. Let me just hold that still for you. You can take a quick screenshot if you wish. Dead easy. I mean, it's basically a cross stitch standing up, and then you fill in the edges. Cross stitch standing up. Go either side. Ooh, stay there, book. And then this middle bit, you do it a little bit shorter, and it just overlaps inside the middle. Okay, as I say, really easy, but I think it's going to look quite effective, so I'll leave that there, and you can, the light's on it, but anyway. Now I've used a piece of that pillowcase in the background. Let me just move that up a bit. I've got a cat pending. Don't scratch the furniture. Don't. No. Good girl. Sorry, cat interlude. She's scratching my stool. I was going to say, yes, so I found a piece of, a really odd piece of star fabric out of my scrapbox. Got my stars, but I'm not happy with this colour, the pillowcase colour, so I'm going to take all my stars off. And then I want a bit of a darker background. So what I'm going to do is get my black ink pad, which has disappeared. Oh, there it is. And I'm just going to drag it across here. I've no idea what this will look like. If you've got watercolour paints, then, by all means do that as well. Yeah, I just want to darken this up a bit. So you're with me for the experiment. You could blacken it up with acrylic paints as well if you wanted to. Let me take that pin out. I've got my baby wipes on the back. Put those up there. I'm recycling those two. They were clean up baby wipes, so I just thought I'd recycle them into the background for this. So I thought this would be quite apt. It's November here in the UK, well, everywhere, and you know, we're getting dark starry nights now, so yeah, I just thought it'd be quite nice. So December, it's going to be Christmas trees, I'm afraid. We're going to do the shaped triangles. So yeah, I've got a little plan for some Christmas trees. Right, let's have a look and see if that's dark enough now. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. Let me just stick a star on and let's have a look. Yeah, you get a bit lost, don't they? And that's, I think, yeah, okay. I think that's okay, and I think I will edge them or go around the edges with a silver or something just to really bring them out. Silver thread. I might change those colours. I don't know. Anyway, this is kind of where I'm going with this one. If you don't have the starry fabric, don't worry about it. Just cut yourself loads of stars. You can fill in with this stitch here as your stars at the top there, which would probably be quite nice. I might end up stitching over these anyway, or at least a couple of them with that star stitch, just to really bring the stitching into the background there. Yeah, just play around. You know, you choose whatever shape style you want to do. It could be more primitive shaped stars. They do kind of like a long one, don't they? I haven't got one to hand, sorry. But yeah, if you search stars, you will see there are an awful lot of shapes that you can do. And this is going to be our next page. I might not put that many on, actually. I might leave those ones there. I think that looks enough. Yeah, this might change very slightly. I'm thinking, do I need to do a little bit of gesso? But probably not. I might do some sort of bits shooting out the side here as well to really make them look like shining stars. Do you know what I mean? There it goes like that. So anyway, I'll leave it for there. I'll leave it there for now. This is obviously just the beginning. I'll do some stitching and I'll pop back later with another video because I've got some updates to do on other stuff. And I'll show you how it's getting on and you can take it from there. But this is the next pages for our little book if you want to join in. Okay, I'll leave it there. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.